Hey y'all, welcome back to another video, and if you are new, hi, my name is Shanny. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Morphe 35A palette. This is the Dare to Create palette that came out during the holiday season, and I didn't get my hands on it because I wanted to wait till the hype died down and see if it truly was a good palette. Before I get into this makeup look, I'm going to swatch the whole palette and then we will get into the eye look, okay? Okay. So for my transition color, I'm taking this green color right here. These eyeshadows do have names, but the plastic is somewhere over there and I don't feel like getting it. So yeah, I'm going in with that green color and I'm using my Morphe M532 blending brush. I feel like this brush is a little too fluffy. Hold on. I need a smaller one. Alright, so I'm taking the Morphe M441 brush. This is actually so pigmented. Next shade I'm taking is this one right here. And I'm using my Morphe M433 brush. And I'm taking it right in my crease to see if this deepens it up a bit. This color is kind of showing up the same on me. Now I'm going to go in and deepen up my crease a bit. I'm going to take a brown. I'm going to use this one. And I'm using my Morphe M506 brush to apply this to my crease. And another thing, I love the fact that this palette comes with a black. A lot of palettes just leave out a black color. I need a black to complete my look. Just give me a black. A matte that's not patchy, that goes on smooth. I just need a black. I don't need a dark gray, I need a black and a dark brown. And this palette gave it to me, so there is no complaints over here in Shannyland. There isn't. I think I'm about to pick up the black to deepen it up a bit more. I'm picking up the black now. There we go. I'm mixing it with that brown color that I just showed y'all. Alright, so another thing I look for when it comes to eyeshadows, y'all, is if I can layer the eyeshadow. If I can't layer 3 or 4 eyeshadows on top of each other, like, we not gonna work. I look for it not to be patchy, because who wants their eyeshadow to be patchy on the eyelids and skipping? You know, we're not doing that. Now I'm going to reprime my eyelids, because y'all know if I don't do this step, the eyeshadow is going to be a creasy mess and it's just not going to stick to my eyelids. That's just how it goes over here. So I'm about to prime my eyelids with the NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to be mixing it with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. No, this is Fawn, but I'm using Chestnut. Where's Chestnut? And to cut my crease, I'm using this Morphe M421 brush. For my mobile eyelid color, I'm taking this color right here. It's like a golden eyeshadow, but it has an undertone of green, which is so freaking pretty. It's like an olive. Yeah, there we go. I'm using my Makeup Forever ink liner. Y'all know I love this liner. It's bomb. I'm gonna go ahead and stay true to myself and smoke out this liner, okay? This is the Morphe M169 brush. Why did I do that? The lashes that I'm using are from Lily Lashes, and I'm using the Dorothy Wayne collaboration. And of course, y'all know me, I'm gonna use the night lashes, of course. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look, and I absolutely love the way it came out. These eyeshadows are really good at layering, and they don't lose their color, so if you want to stack the eyeshadows on top of it, you can do that and they won't get lost in each other and turn into a big blur. So yeah, I really like that about these eyeshadows, but they do have a little bit of kickback, just a little bit, not a lot. It doesn't really affect how good this palette is. Now if it had a whole bunch of kickback, that would probably be a deal breaker for me, because I do not like when eyeshadows have a lot of kickback, because that's just a waste of product and it just gets all over the place. So yeah, all in all, this is a bomb palette, and if you're into makeup and you like doing really pretty, really colorful eyeshadow looks, or you're a freelance makeup artist, or you're building your kit, you can do that with this palette. But if you're more of a neutral girl, they do have a neutral side to the palette for you girls, but I think it would be a waste of money just to buy this palette for the neutrals, because there's so many palettes out that has neutral shades. So if you're a girl that likes to stick to the neutrals, then don't do it to yourself, because you're not going to use this palette. So yeah, Morphe, y'all did that. Y'all really did that. That's all I have to say about the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, y'all. I hope you guys like the look that I created with this palette. Be sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos from your girl. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye. My phone is on 1%. I don't know who texted me. Excuse me. No, this brush is too big. Let me switch.
What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
What'd she say?
What you doing?
I'm filming.
What you doing?
I'm working.
Huh?
I'm working.
What you doing?
Mm-hmm.
Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Auntie,
Yes?
what you doing?
I'm filming.
I'm filming.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh.
Taylor.